Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare a very unique bitter gourd recipe with potatoes. So the ingredients that I require to prepare this recipe are, here I have taken 2 big potatoes and I have cubed them. This is near about 300 grams of bitter gourd that I have cut them into slices like this. Here I have taken 1 big onion and I have chopped it. 1 big tomato, chopped it. I'm going to prepare this recipe in mustard oil. Salt as per our taste. This is 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 6 cloves of garlic chopped. This is roasted posto dana, that is poppy seeds. I have dry roasted it and then grinded it. So this is approximately 1.5 tablespoon of roasted poppy seeds, that is posto dana. Here I have half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and here I have taken chili flakes, so half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Now let's get started. So friends, I have taken a karai and I've heated 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. You can also prepare this in the refined oil, but mustard oil will give this recipe a very nice flavor. And now I will take the cubed potatoes and I will add them slowly into the oil. Be careful friends, as the oil might splatter. After adding potatoes to this oil, you just saute it for a minute and then we have to cover this over medium flame and cook for near about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, let's remove the lid. Yes, as you can see, the potatoes are slightly cooked. A nice color has come. So now I will add the bitter gourd, that is the karela. So after adding the karela, friend, after adding these bitter gourd, we will again mix it. And then now again we will cover this and cook for another 2 minutes over high flame. After 2 minutes, we'll remove the lid. As you can see, the rawness of the bitter gourd has disappeared. So now we are going to add the chopped onion. You can also add sliced onion to this, no problem. And along with this chopped onion, we'll add the chopped garlic. We'll reduce the flame to medium. And now saute this for a minute. Now friends, once the onion is mixed properly and it has become translucent, so I'm going to add the tomatoes. Salt I'm going to add now. As per our taste. I'll saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now friends, we will add all the dry spices. That is the turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and the chili flake. If you don't have chili flakes at home, you can dry roast the dried red chili and then grind it. Reduce the flame to medium. And now we will saute this and cook till our onion, till our potato and the bitter gourd gets cooked properly. Now friends, our bitter gourd and potato is cooked. So this is the time I'm going to add the roasted and grinded posto dana to the recipe. And then now I will saute this and cook for 1 minute. Now friends, our bitter gourd and potato recipe is ready. So at the end I'm going to add the lemon juice. Just mix it. And then put off the flame, and now it is ready to serve. So friends, here is our very yummy and very simple bitter gourd and potato recipe. Savor it with plain boiled rice. I hope you liked my recipe friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching friends. See you soon. Bye.